I mean, I guess. Oh, that one kind of sucked. Oh my gosh, I feel the gas bubble going down into my butthole. I feel a big one coming. It's just stuck in my throat. Give me a moment. Oh. I have so many gas bubbles. Story time. I was constipated for like 2 months and I had no idea, and I missed school, and I went to the doctors and they felt my stomach and they were like, oh, she's got a lot of gas bubbles. Back to burping. That's a weird sounding one. Now I will tell you how I do it. Ready? I suck in and then I breathe out.